All right, man. So check it out. The biggest difference with starting a brand now and that brands are facing now that they weren't facing 5 years ago.
Marketing. iOS 14, privacy laws.
Okay, talk about it.
Man, so now it's the impact of retargeting and lookalike audiences is all changing. Now it's hard to find reporting. It's hard for Facebook to hit the algorithm to go back to target the same people that you once targeted.
Right.
Because sometimes people need to see it 6-7 times before they purchase.
Correct.
So what are you going to do different now? We talk about this all the time. Stop the scroll.
Stop the scroll.
We in here
man.
working on content in such a way. You have to do content in a way that makes people stop.
Right.
Like stop immediately. Like, man, what is this?
Yeah.
And then if they keep scrolling and they happen to come by it again or see somebody else in it, you have to create content on such a high level now.
Yeah, man.
To where it's gonna weed out all the brands who've been making it with subpar content and subpar copy.
Yeah.
Every part of the story matters. Every part of the copy matters. Every part of the content. Every part. Glad. Every part matters.
You pulled that crunchy black just did now. But you're right, every part matters, but